listen carefully now, you will hear. This could be the first trumpet, might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer, many more will have to die. Don't ask me why. I said things are not the way they used to be. I won't tell no lie. I wanna know, got to face reality.
Eu vou entrar aqui, porque o aventureiro não escolhe caminho para poder filmar a cachoeira mais próxima. Tô feito tatu, procurando buraco.
It's impossible to go living through the past. Won't tell no lie. There's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Can't keep them down. And if you listen carefully now, you will hear. To all the questions they ask, though I know it's impossible to go living through the past. Won't tell no lie. There's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Can't keep them down. And if you listen carefully now, you will hear. Yeah, there's a natural mystic blowing through the air. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a boy.
Catarine, que é namorada do Furcan, este turco, e eu brasileiro, claro, no meio desta beleza natural. Esse é André, quase me matou de medo aí, mas vou perdoar ele. Esse aqui é o Daniel, é instrutor, ele também quase me mata de medo aqui. Ainda bem que ele não deixou de desistir, foi muito bom.
Just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shared my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share his soul. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. 'Cause we are still kids and we're so in love, fighting against all us. I know we'll be.
Gilmar, não tem nada de pavão.
Be your girl, you'll be my man. I see my future It's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold, just like them old stars. I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up when you're needing your space.
Gente, pelo amor de Deus, aqui é muito alto. Aqui em Bonito tudo é bonito, mas também é assustador. É alto.
Stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. No, no. Don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. A difference is they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. Yeah, we got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still a friend. At least we didn't tend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. Giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. I won't give up on us. God knows I'm tough enough. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it.
Mas é amostrado.
Giving you all my love.
Como se amostra?
Looking up. Looking up.
You and me, we made a vow, for better or for worse. I can't believe you let me down, but the proof is in the way it hurts. For months on end I've had my doubts, denying every tear. I wish this would be over now, but I know that I still need you here. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. You've been so unavailable. Now sadly I know why. Your heart is unobtainable, even though Lord knows you kept mine. You say 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. I've loved you for many years, but maybe I am just not enough. You've made me realize my deepest fear.